Oh my God.
What the hell?
Wow. Hello friends and welcome to Mantigue Island. This place is a true paradise in the paradise country of Philippines. I'll show you where it is on the map. We're actually taking a day trip to this island because it's all, you can only do day trips here. So we're starting this vlog of Camiguin actually on a day trip to Mantigue Island. This place, look at the watercolor. It's nuts. I'm actually here with another traveler, Maria from Brazil. So hello. We have to take a boat from the main island to visit this island. When you rent a boat, you pay for the boat, but we had 2 other Filipino people, so we had 4 people maximum per boat. It's always nice to travel with other people and save some money and enjoy these beautiful places. Wow. So we don't know much about this island yet. We just got here. We're gonna take a look around. There's snorkeling here, there's a marine sanctuary, and there is blue ass water. It's crazy. The moment we arrived, like, wow, it's nuts. Walking along the perimeter of the island, the shoreline, they say that's the only thing you can do around the island. There's no path in the middle. There used to be, but some storm destroyed the path. But it's a tiny little island. I'll try to write down some specs below. But it's tiny, and you get the maximum of 3 hours when you arrive here. There you go. This is our island. The sand is so hot, but there's plenty of shades with these beautiful coconut trees. Wow. It's a little paradise, man. I'm surprised this place isn't more crowded, but that's a good thing. Wow, it's so gorgeous. Look at this. What in the world? Now, I don't know what this place looked like before the storm. A lot of things have gotten damaged around the country over the years for different storms, but it's pretty sweet right now. We're still walking around this tiny island. It's gorgeous.
Amazing.
We were told we can walk around the island, but some parts you have to get in the water. Maybe has something to do with the tide, but the water temperature is so nice. Oh my God. And the color is just absurd. Looking for where we're supposed to snorkel though. They said there's a marine sanctuary somewhere. Supposed to see a lot of turtles, but haven't seen anyone snorkeling yet. At least didn't notice it. So that's what we're looking for. I think we found a shortcut. We're gonna take it. How cool is this? What is this guy doing? No idea. Hey, hello. We're in the jungle now. The water is so freaking perfect. I think we're back to where we started. Started right here. And we're back. So we just did a loop. And now we're gonna still find where the snorkeling bit is. Such a cool place. So this is the main area where we got dropped off, and behind me there's people having picnics, and you can see like where the boats are. So we're full circle and we're gonna chill now, hopefully jump in the water, see some turtles maybe. I think it's time to fly the drone. What do you guys think? Wow, this island's so gorgeous. Both Maria and I have drones that we've been spending too much time now taking drone shots of this place. I'm going to see what time it is and if we have enough time to actually jump in the water. These guys have a drone too. This place is so freaking pretty. We haven't seen the drone footage yet, but of course by now you've seen it. Did you like it? How cool is this place? Man. We've got 20 minutes. We're going to give this snorkeling a shot. Hopefully we'll find some marine life over there. I didn't make it too far, but I think Marie may have. I'm just going to steal her footage. I saw some weird things though. I don't know what they were. It was pretty cool. Did you see any turtles?
No.
No turtles, alright. But again, we spent so much time having fun. We didn't have too much time to swim, but what a cool place. Now I think our boat's here. We got to get our stuff and head on back. We're going to explore Main Island. One of the best things to do on this island is to ride around, so I just decided to take a detour on some random road. It looks pretty cool so far. Oh, look. Hello. She was dancing. The girl was dancing. Oh wow, that's cool. Hello. This is so pretty. Helmet for safety. Hello! How are you? Hello, hello. Oh, so much fun. My passenger keeps hiding. Hello! Hello! Oh my god. What? You don't want to see the horses? I thought you wanted to see the horses. Wow. We got stopped in our tracks. This looks like another main part of the island. We did find a sunset spot. Yay! Oh my god. As I was trying to say, we did find a sunset view. What?